my friends, once again welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. So I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. So today also I brought for you to showcase you different varieties of collections for this season. Season varieties, yes, season varieties. So get ready to purchase every collections you can buy at wholesale price, every design, everywhere you can see the segment of color charts. Yes, my friends, unique varieties, bridesmaids varieties, function varieties, party wear, all collections you can buy at wholesale price because the benefit is to give to your customers. So keep watching this video. Today I brought for you the multi designer printed of varieties in one set, different color, different design. What kind of sarees? Linen, digital, one of your favorite collections, which is with every saree you will find out the gap borders. So resellers, dealers, wholesalers, businesswomen, entrepreneurs, don't lose these collections. Before getting out of stock, please place an order by taking a screenshot. So to know the actual prices, please communicate with the online team. The numbers are scrolling on the screen. And if you want to update and you want to take in a boutique or you want to start the business, but I have no idea, I can invest, you can also contact Kesaria to take a franchisee. Okay, so let's see the collections today. The different color, different design. For the office color, I can suggest these kind of varieties in one print, one set. I can say in one set you're getting different designs. So gap borders, leafy pattern with the direct gray color finishing. When I talk about the waves pattern, you have a lavender color with a beautiful color combination with a light shade of purple also you can see over here. And every saree you will find out the thread tassel with the silver jerry. So mild silver jerry you can see over here. In this saree also mustard yellow. You have a silver jerry border. This is the pattern. And here also you can see over here with the sunflower print with a mustard yellow. Multi-design border, I can say. Sober, classy, but casual. Sober, classy, casual, which is stylish. The dark Rani pink you can say. And with the again the ash color, which beautiful. The light white color shade, which the covered print, very classy, stunning. We have a different colors and different designs. One of the light shade of the parrot green shade I can also say, which I can compare with the pista also. You have only sober print, which is very unique. Nowadays, you are finding out these kind of prints are very fast moving product. This is also one of the fast moving. So linen cotton is giving you nowadays for the south, Andhra, Telangana, Tamil Nadu. These are the fast moving. So that's why the manufacturers also production many more varieties, these such collections. Dark pink with light rose milk zari border, silver finishing with the rose with the white color combination. Next saree I can tell here, the lovely collections. This is also one of the pattern, the dark gray with this is the pattern. So every saree you can find out the multi border and the bottom the leafy pattern of the white color, which given with the maroon dotted, and this is a silver jerry border. The Rama green with classy and stunning print, the cone shape, and silver jerry border. You have a stripes pattern with a gap border. Multi-printed border sarees. All these varieties will give you at one set many more options you have at Kesaria Manufacturers only at factory price. My friends, if you are a reseller, you should not miss these products. When you buy with the right manufacturer, you will get the product quality with the catalogs also. Every saree. Now you are seeing here this beautiful structures. This is the saree of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sarees, and the catalog. This is a set of the catalog. So in this way, you will find out premium quality catalogs, non-catalogs, with photocopy, with non-photocopy, with blouse, without blouse. You have a matching section also. You have to deal with the manufacturing price but friendly budget. At the same time, you have to also ensure to your customers what is about quality and what is about quantity, and what will whether I will get a repeated customer. Yeah, but repeated customer will only give you the visibility and the regular brand consistency to your business. So always keep these points in your mind and enlarge or to explore your business with good quality and friendly budget varieties where you can buy from the right manufacturers. Yes, my friends, hope you enjoyed these collections. So quickly place an order. Keep supporting me. Which saree you liked in the comments also let me know. And please share your name and city in the comments. And what kind of collections you are looking to make me the videos, that also you can let me know. So I'll share the videos according to that. So keep supporting. So season purchase, Whenever you are watching the video, quickly take a screenshot, because it's a peak time where online also the purchases, they will place an order. So it should get reached to you also right time, right? So next video we'll meet. Until then, keep supporting. Bye bye.